My dear friends, I Ravi Shankar Misra, on behalf of KTG English News Channel Anchor, would like to tell everyone and give my thanks to all the viewers, those who are watching this video. First and foremost, I would like to draw your rapt attention towards the burning problem of our country. That is the spreading of the COVID-19 global pestilence, which has affected not only our country but also the large amount of the peoples as well as the entire world also. One of the most part that is too affected, that is education department. Also the government is talking that it's because of the online classes, the children, the future of our country are availing of the golden opportunity of the online classes. But my dear, it's not in real in our life, because due to the different types of the crisis of the network issue, sometimes another types of the problems which all bonds before the students, and it's because of those problems the students are not getting proper education by online sources. So as we think that at this time we have to maintain 2-meter distance, we have to put on a mask, we have to wash our hands in a regular way, in a certain way, we have to also try to put on and cover our face also. In this way, by protecting ourselves, by protecting the students' life and career, we all have to try to get education, which is the backbone of any nation. I want to quote the line of Dr. Zakir Hussain, who was the former president of India and the governor of Bihar also. He said that education is the prime instrument of nation building, and today that education is affected a lot due to the spreading of the COVID-19. So I think that there are many more the problems will come in our life. We should never try to be discouraged and lose our patience due to the spreading of the COVID-19 situation, but reality is that I want to suggest each and every one student, whatever you have to be satisfied in that all the resources. On behalf of KTG channel, I would like to say each and every people, each and every students belonging to the different far and near places, my suggestion is that you have to pay attention towards your education by your home, by staying your home. Because the situation is long, our fight will continuously run for a long time. We cannot end this fighting of the COVID-19 in a very short time. But we should also not try to accept our defeatation before the fighting. So as we think that the students, those who are very anxious towards their career, what will happen if any students are facing darkness about their career, what so be happen in their life, then my suggestion is that you have to live, you have to stay your home, and you have to only get education by the help of the different types of the YouTube channel and the social media resources. Today, each and every persons are very responsible for the spreading of the COVID-19. Not only we can claim the government, but also we all are very sensible. We should aware the people. We have to pay attention toward the self-awareness of the public. If we do so, then after undoubtedly uncertainty, the quintessential result will come to everyone, and then after each and every problem will be eradicated very sooner. So on behalf of KTG News Channel, on behalf of this platform of KTG Channel, I would like to suggest to all the students you have to take education. Education is the prime instrument of nation building, and the students are the real backbone of one's country and nation. So my suggestion is that to pay attention towards your studies by staying your home you have to pay attention towards your education, towards the protection and the fighting of the COVID-19 situation also. Thank you. That's all. Many thanks to all the viewers on behalf of KTG channel, Ravi Shankar Misra. Thank you.
Present over here. Today I am Aman Dharmendra Upadhyay. I am going to speak few lines on education affected by coronavirus. In today's world, every country is suffering by COVID-19. The COVID-19 was a very new disease for everyone. It is like a fire in the jungle. How fire spreads rapidly in the jungle, this virus also spread rapidly in every country. Each and every country is affected badly by it. So every government is focusing on their economic only. Nobody is focusing on education. As we say, education is our future of a country. But what if present teenagers are not treated perfectly? Then how our future will be treated? It's very bad to say that education is kept aside from the country. The country is only focusing on the economic and how to beat the viruses. Okay, that we agree that virus should be beaten by beating the vaccines. We should also see that education is not affected. Each and every thing should go by its flow only. Nothing should be affected. If we say education is our most important part of our life, so there is no any wrong statement in this, because education only helps the economic of the country. Because of education, there are engineers, doctors. Means each and every breath of a country is depend upon the education. The government is not focusing on a little bit on the education. Like education is based on different sectors, fields, different standard. What it could be? It could be a doctor, engineer, 12th standard student, 10th standard. Any standard student is suffering very badly from this, because government has not declared as the exam date till now. No exam date, no change in the schedule. Even they are not reducing the syllabus also. The education line is still the same, but the teaching has been affected. As we all proceed with an opinion for the government, we are saying to conduct online exams. Government is saying that is not possible for us. That is very new way for them. But if I say one thing, who know there were online lectures. When the COVID came, no government has an idea how the education will go. We started a new system of online teaching. It has passed 1 year along with the time. We are familiar with it now. So government also not tried online lectures till now. They have 1 year only started and now everyone is familiar. So government should adopt a new policy of taking online exams. Online exams, sometimes we are not telling to take direct online exams. You can keep some practical basis or like written online exams. You can take any, but if you will try, then only you will be familiar with them. We are not saying you take direct the online exams. Keep some practicing of online exam, like we are doing. How we do objectives of exams online. That way you can keep answers and question and answers also like this way only. The government should also see education because it's most important field of our life. I will end my point with saying this much only, and I would like to thank KTG News for taking my voice to the people. Thank you.